Wishing you all the best. Welcome to Creative Canvas. Let me begin this video by introducing you to a great drawing book for daily practice. How to improve your drawing skills through this book. My dear, this is your book. Let's see these books. Now, how to improve your hand and finger balance in fine art. Daily practice tips, basic practice, exercise, drawing book or notebook designed by me. Let's see the inside. Children say that whatever we see in social media like YouTube, Google, it is difficult to remember such videos. Not getting all the materials at once. Children also say that there should be a book in which all the material to be practiced together so that we can do this without any help. That's why I have tried to give all the material together. Just as we get excited or warm up in the beginning of sports or yoga, in music, meditation also we all do warm up like sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, which can also be called basic fundamental practice. In this drawing book, also some pictures of everyday practice have been series. The box was made in this book designed so that children's time is not wasted. This type of book design is happening for first time. It is guaranteed the whoever practice it with meditation will get good results. As a beginner, you should be able to hold your pencil in a way that encourages a smooth transition from the imagination of this drawing book. Don't get tired of hand. To reach that level, you can practice with this book first. When you practice, you can read this book, complete your lines and angles with the guidance of Sun. You can take your drawing talent forward. You will be drawing on your own. The cost of the book is very less. You can ask for it in the PDF file of this book or hard copy. I have given links in description box. You can place your order on the number given in the description box. Payment can be done through Razorpay or Paytm. Now this book is ready for you. Thank you.